How to put TikTok link on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your TikTok username. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. And then under your profile picture, you can see your username. Click on it to copy it. Once the username has been copied, go ahead and navigate to your Facebook profile page. Once you're here, scroll down to the info section and click on edit public details. Then you need to scroll all the way down to links and click on add. And from social links, click on add and then select a platform from the drop down to be TikTok. Then paste your username right here. Once you do that, Facebook will recognize your TikTok account. Click on save at the top of the screen. And then when you go back to your profile page, you can see that your username has been added, and when people click on it, it will redirect them to your TikTok account, as you can see right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your TikTok link on Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.